Good morning, James. I've been thinking about starting my own business, but I don't know where to begin. Do you have any advice?
Good morning, Emma. Absolutely. The first step is to identify a problem that people need solved. Successful businesses don't just sell products, they provide solutions.
That's interesting. So I should focus on solving people's problems rather than simply selling something.
Exactly. When your product or service improves someone's life, customers are much more likely to buy from you and recommend you to others.
So, what's the next step after finding a good business idea?
Research your target audience. Understand who your ideal customers are, what they need, how much they're willing to spend, and where they usually shop.
I've noticed that many businesses fail within the first few years. Why does that happen?
One common reason is poor financial management. Many business owners spend too much in the beginning instead of managing their cash flow carefully.
So keeping track of expenses is just as important as making sales.
Absolutely. Every successful business owner knows where their money comes from and where it goes.
What about marketing? Is it necessary even if I have a great product?
Definitely. A great product won't sell if nobody knows it exists. Consistent marketing helps people discover and trust your brand.
Which marketing method do you recommend for beginners?
Start with social media. Share useful content, answer customers' questions, post consistently, and engage with your audience instead of only trying to sell.
I've heard people say that customer service can make or break a business.
That's true. Happy customers often become repeat customers. Listen carefully, respond politely, and always try to exceed their expectations.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to build a successful career instead of starting a business?
Keep learning. Industries change quickly, so developing new skills is one of the best investments you can make.
Which skills are most valuable today?
Communication, problem solving, leadership, time management, and digital skills are highly valuable in almost every profession.
Sometimes people become discouraged after making mistakes. How to encourage them back?
Mistakes are part of growth. The important thing is to learn from them, improve, and avoid repeating the same mistakes.
How important is networking?
Start each morning with a clear plan. Prioritize your most important tasks, avoid unnecessary distractions, and review your progress at the end of the day.
That's practical advice. What role does confidence play in business?
Confidence helps you make decisions and communicate effectively, but it should always be supported by preparation and knowledge.
If you could give one final piece of advice to every entrepreneur and professional, what would it be?
Focus on creating value. When you consistently help people, keep your promises, continue learning, and maintain a positive attitude, success becomes much more achievable.
Thank you, James. I've learned a lot today.
You're welcome, Emma. Remember, success isn't built in a single day. It's built through consistent effort, smart decisions, and a willingness to keep improving.